On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp statue problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys and welcome back to this new video or this new tutorial. So first thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, go to apps. Now here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down, go to the WhatsApp and click here on the first option. It's called force stop. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is go down and click on the storage. After that, all what you have to do is click here on the storage and click on clear cache. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the very end. See you later.